So here is AMORA app. So here is just what you can get. You can see this is the wave, a hint of your soulmate. This is the app, kind of astrology app where you can discover your future soulmate. You plus him or her decoded, so you can just see different additional hints with this possible person. AMORA creates a realistic portrait of your soulmate and reveals insight about your ideal partner and your compatibility based on your astrology data. So just download AMORA, complete your profile, receive your drawing and personalized compatibility insights, including love language, attachment style, and warning signs. So that's kind of the idea. And then you can just open it up. And then here you can see, that's how you create an account. And then when you wanna use it, you need to upgrade for $10 per week. But if you tap on this button in top right, you can see additional insights, and then you can see get free coins. So then you can just see that you can get some free coins to unlock some premium insights. So as you can see, I just claimed free coins in here. I just tapped my button because someone just used my code. So here you can just use my code and get free coins in AMORA app. So you're getting 3 free coins. So just copy my code and then go to this page, tap in the bottom and enter it here, and you will get 3 free coins in here. So that's kind of the idea. So I have 3 coins now. So I need to get 1 more moon to unlock an insight. But here to unlock the image, I need to upgrade. So here is, as you can see, still I need to upgrade even with the free coins. Unfortunately. So that's kind of the idea. So love insights, your true soulmate. And that's how you can just get these insights, or then just have your collection. So that's what you can do. And then again, just get free coins to get these more insights. But there's Cosmic Circle, and then there's your love journey, love language. So basically, some of the insights you can get for free with coins, but the main portrait and so on, you need to upgrade. There is no way to get it for free. So that's kind of the idea of the app. Quite cool how you can just get it. And yeah, so that's the idea. I hope you enjoyed this quick overview.